Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Kathleen Reddington with your hedge fund headlines. Today is Thursday, January 8th, 2009. An Asian fund of funds launched by Michael van Biema, a former Columbia Business School professor, has posted deep losses after its first 4 months of trading. The Asia Value Fund, which debuted in August with $215 million from one of his firm's existing institutional investors, is down 18.3% through November. Staying with hedge fund news, hedge fund firm JD Capital Management is liquidating its $1 billion Tempo Master Fund. The fund has lost 40% due to its exposure in troubled markets. Founder J. David Rogers told Reuters that the firm will continue to manage money focusing on volatility arbitrage. And in more hedge fund news, NBK Capital, an investment bank owned by National Bank of Kuwait, has raised $150 million for the NBK Capital/GSC Mezzanine Fund, a joint venture with U.S.-based GSC Group. According to Bloomberg, the Kuwait bank is looking to invest between $10 and $20 million into mid-market companies across all sectors, barring real estate and greenfield projects. NBK wants to increase the size of the 8-year fund to $200 million by the end of the first quarter this year and is hoping for a 20% rate of return. And in other hedge fund news, the private equity arm of Dubai-based Rasmala Investments has raised $120 million for its second fund, which it hopes to close at $350 million. According to Private Equity Online, the Sharia-compliant fund is targeting mid-cap investment opportunities in Egypt and Gulf Cooperation Council countries with a 25% expected rate of return. The fund has invested in the United Arab Emirates manufacturing sector and is evaluating several potential details in the banking, oil and gas, logistics, healthcare, and education sectors. And that rounds out today's hedge fund headlines. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our hedge fund channel online, read the full stories and the latest developments.